So I'm gonna start with cardio plan. So for the frequency, I have 3 times a week. For the intensity, it is just moderate. For me, my resting heart rate is 90 ppm, and the heart rate itself is 78%. So to get the target heart rate, there's already a formula. So 200 minus my current age 19, so 111 into 0.76, so that we got 84.36, and we have to plus 72, so the final result of the target heart rate is 156.36. So high interval is the same as target heart rate, and the low interval is also the same as above 2, but we just have to replace 0.76 into 0.38, so that for me my low interval is 114.18. so the next rate of perceived extraction is 5. For the time, I want to spend one app for 3 minutes at low interval, but for the stimulus I want to spend 20 minutes, and for the cool down 3 minutes at low interval. For the number of cycles, for me too, and time is 30 minutes intro running treadmill. In this program, I try to balance the exercise, and the entire process will estimately goes for 1 hour. First thing first, we need to do a 1-up. In the 1-up sessions, there are 4 exercises. The first one is walking on treadmill, and there will be 1 set and duration is 15 minutes. Important tip for this exercise is we don't need to start with really high speed at first. The second exercise is high knees, and there will be 2 sets and duration is 1 minute. The third one is shoulder arm cycles, and there will be 2 sets with also 1 minute. This one is heart cycle, and there will be 2 sets and 1 minute. And now we'll move to core or balance exercise. There will be 3 exercises in these sessions, and the first one is doing plank. There will be 2 sets and then 1 reps. Tempo is just medium, and we will rest 1 minute. The important note for this exercise is we don't need to hold our breath during exercise. The second exercise is high kick. There will be 2 sets and 15 reps, and the tempo is just medium, and we will rest 1 minute after that. And the last one is tricep extension. We will do 2 sets for 18 reps, and the exercise for this exercise, the tempo is high, so we will rest 3 minutes after the exercise. The important note for this exercise is we don't lift overweight. And we're gonna move to speed session. In these sessions, I include exercise which highlight for lower body part, because my chosen sport is soccer, so I need to make sure that my lower body part is strong. So the first exercise in speed session is leg extension. I'm gonna do 3 steps and 15 reps, and the tempo is just medium. Then rest 2 minutes. The important note for this exercise is we need to do it slow and steady. The second exercise is doing squats. I'm gonna do 3 sets with 10 reps. The tempo for this exercise is high, and I'm gonna rest 2 minutes after that. And the third one is dumbbell lifting. We're gonna do it 2 sets and 15 reps, and the tempo is medium, and I'm gonna rest 2 minutes after that. The last one is indoor cycling. Do 2 sets for 15 minutes. I use minute here because it is more reasonable because it is indoor cycling. And after that, we're gonna rest for 2 minutes. And the last exercise session, the resistance session. There are 3 exercises in resistance session. In these sessions, the exercise for both lower and upper body parts. The first one is bench press, and we're gonna do 3 sets with 10 reps. The tempo is just medium, and we're gonna rest 1 minute after that. And the coaching tip for this exercise is we don't need to overlift. And the second one is blankets, and we're gonna do 3 sets with 10 reps, and the tempo is as usual medium, and we're gonna rest 1 minute. And the third one is power crawl, and we're gonna do 3 sets and 10 reps. So finally we're gonna do cool down. So in cool down sessions, I keep things simple and straight. For the first exercise, I'm gonna walk on the treadmill with 1 set and duration is only 5 minutes. The important tip for this exercise is we're cooling down, so we're gonna walk really slowly and we're gonna watch our breaths. And the next 2 exercise is leg stretch and arm stretch. Do it both for 2 sets and duration is both for 45 seconds. So finally, the final coaching tip for the entire program is we need to stay hydrated during our exercise. So this is my entire program, and if you make any suggestions, the feedbacks and comments are warmly welcome.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?